Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make King Ranch Chicken Casserole. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make King Ranch Chicken Casserole. Let's head into the kitchen here and check out our ingredients. We're going to start out with about 2.5 cups of cooked chicken, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 onion. We're going to peel and chop that up. We got 2 cloves of garlic we're going to peel and mince. I've got 8-ounce jar of some tomatillo salsa. I've got a little tiny can of some chopped green chilies, some fresh cilantro. I'm going to go about a 1/4 cup, about a teaspoon of some cumin. We are going to do 2 cups of this Mexican style cheese here and a package of white corn tortillas to make it all happen. Let's head over to our prep table and start making this happen. I've got an onion here. I'm going to go ahead and just chop this up. Got our onion all diced up here, or got our onion all chopped here. Next I've got the chicken. It is pre-cooked chicken that I've got in here. I'm not going to chop this up because when I get to stirring it and mixing it up with my hands after we've added all the ingredients, it will break up, as you can see, like that. So first goes the onion. Then I'm going to put our jalapenos, juice and all, right, or not our jalapenos, I'm sorry, our green chilies. I'm going to go ahead and put that all in there. Then I'm going to do our garlic, 2 cloves. I have a wonderful garlic crusher where it just keeps everything in there, pushes out the garlic, keeps the shell. It's kind of nice. Then we're going to take our tomatillo salsa, mix it up. I'm going to pour half of this in there, about 1 cup of this sour cream, a little bit of our cumin, and then I'm going to chop up some of this cilantro. You could add as much or as little of this cilantro as you like. I'm just going to put enough of this in here to really give it a bold flavor. Don't really need to cut it up too much because it is going to cook. Now don't forget to get your oven turned on too while you're doing this so it can preheat. Now I'm just going to I am just going to mix this all up with my hand. You see how that chicken is breaking up? And if it doesn't, give it a little help. Now you can saute the onion and the garlic together and then add it to this before you stir it. But we're going to have it in the oven long enough to kind of soften up those onions. Alright, that's all mixed up. Alright, we got our casserole dish. I'm just going to put a little bit of that salsa in the bottom there to keep from sticking. And you're going to make kind of like a lasagna here. Now you can shred these up if you want to, these tortillas, or you can just lay them right into the bottom. I'm just going to take our mixture, put it right on in there. You kind of just want to make a lasagna with this without getting it all over the floor. Hit it with the cheese. Couple more tortillas. I chose this dish because it's rounded. Press it down just a little bit. Add a little bit more of your filling. Actually, I'm going to add the rest of it because I'm running out of room in my casserole dish. A little more cheese. and then 2 more. I'm going to press that down just a little bit. I'm going to add the rest of the cheese. Alright, I'm going to put this in the oven for about a half an hour at 350 degrees until the cheese is melty and bubbly. Alright, there is the casserole. We are going to plate this up, make it look really nice. Then we're going to take some awesome photos of it for social media. We're going to put those pictures on the timeline with some really groovy music. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. There it is again. This smells and it looks fantastic. I'll give it a taste here and then we'll talk about it. Very rich, deep flavor there. Creamy. The seasonings are wonderful. The flavor is awesome. The texture of the onion in there would have probably been a better idea for me to saute the onions and the garlic in a little butter or oil and then add them to this. That way it just helps build more flavor. The raw onion there gives it a little bit of a taste that I really don't care for too much. So this is really good. Delicate flavors. Nothing really spicy in here. It's creamy. It's got that little bit of kick from the cumin and the chili, but other than that, it's creamy. It's got a smooth texture to it with the cheese and the sour cream in there. I will finish eating this once I say goodbye to you. So with that, thanks a lot for joining us. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.